Different non-vertical lines have different slopes, or y-intercepts, or both. They are graphs of different linear functions. For two such lines, you can think of one as a transformation of the other. The linear functions form a family of functions. Each linear function is a transformation of the function y equals x. The function y equals x is the parent linear function. A parent function is the simplest form in a set of functions that form a family. Each function in the family is a transformation of the parent function. Vertical translation and horizontal translation. First, we'll focus on the left, vertical translation. Adding k to the outputs shifts the graph up. So we can state, for a positive constant k and a parent function, f of x plus or minus k is a vertical translation. Horizontal translation. Subtracting h from the inputs shifts the graph right. So, for a positive constant h and a parent function f of the input x plus or minus h is a horizontal translation. Problem 1, vertical translation. Part A. How are the functions y equals x and y equals x minus 2 related? How are their graphs related? Well, first, we can make a table of values. We have x as a column on the left, some input values that we've selected, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. In the middle, the outputs for the equation y equals x, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, because y equals x. And then on the right-hand side, our new function, y equals x minus 2. So our outputs for that function, with an input of -2, we have an output of -4, an input of -1, output of -3, and so on. So note, each output for y equals x minus 2 is 2 less than the corresponding output for y equals x. Then draw the graphs. First, we can draw the parent function y equals x. Remember, that's the diagonal line through the origin with slope of +1, shown here in black. The graph of y equals x minus 2, shown here in blue, is the graph of y equals x translated down 2 units. Part B. What is the graph of y equals x squared minus 1 translated up 5 units? So we've translated the graph of y equals x squared minus 1 up 5 units to get the blue parabola. The equation of the blue parabola is y equals x squared plus 4. And then we'll check our solution. Every value in the y equals x squared plus 4 column is 5 greater than the corresponding value in the y equals x squared minus 1 column. Your turn. Part A. How are the functions y equals 2x and y equals 2x minus 3 related? How are their graphs related? And part B. What is the graph of y equals 3x translated up 2 units?